NATCA leadership is constantly working to improve the national airspace system and the work life of aviation safety professionals. We must be engaged to shape our own future. A 2014 vote by NATCA's convention authorized our leaders to work with lawmakers to devise a sustainable financial future for the national airspace system. If change is coming, the resolution said, NATCA would fight to protect the national airspace system and the workforce that safeguards it. This approach allows for flexibility as we consider future options. It also keeps NATCA at the negotiating table when any reform is considered. Today, as policymakers discuss taking air traffic control services out of the FAA, NATCA's vision remains resolute: to protect our members and make sure our voice is heard. NATCA members know how harmful FAA restructurings can be if we aren't vigilant, but we can't be afraid of change. Air traffic control services are already performed by a mixture of contract employees and federal workers, and more change is surely coming. Worldwide, other nations are implementing and succeeding with all kinds of reforms. It's time for the U.S. to catch up and create a system that will grow instead of shrink. NATCA remains the leading voice for America's air traffic controllers and aviation safety professionals. We are guided by principles designed to ensure a strong future for our workforce and our industry. The challenges we face are real and here now, but there are solutions that can work. By speaking out and working with decision makers and our members, NATCA is determined to protect our benefits, maintain our high safety standards, and ensure financial security for the future of the national airspace system.